Assalamu alaikum everyone, and yes, basically I am right now shooting at Hunza House to be precise. और बताने का मकसद शुरुआत कुछ इस तरह है कि yes, this is Alamdar and it's definitely the show Shosha. But Shosha के हवाले से बताता चलूँ कि objective is to थोड़ा सा बनेगा I'll cover this space so that we all can have an idea कि behind the scene होता क्या है. So इस episode में I'll make sure that you know कुछ actors से भी गुफ्तगू कर लें so that you guys have an idea कि behind the scene आखिर चलता क्या है. So the space is beautiful, the place is beautiful, and we're trying our best कि बेहतर से बेहतर हो जाए. If you can have an idea, so you see कि coordination में it's always technically tough, and but the point is कि we basically as a team are trying our best कि बेहतर से बेहतर हो. बताता चलूँ कि basically the project is being directed by Shahzad Kashmiri, जो कि is a legend. He's been known for so many dramas out there. We'll try to grab a few words from him as well. Not only that, we will try to get hold of a few more actors so that we can update you on Shosha. So as we move further ahead, I will give you guys just a quick glimpse के production value को बेहतर से बेहतर बनाने के लिए how much effort is required. So this would be behind the scenes, and yes, it's always technically hard. It's not that easy, but चल रहा है. और ये हमारे drone manage करते हैं, and he's always और ये शहजाद साहब भी खड़े हैं, and he's on track for shooting. शहजाद भाई कैसे हैं आप?
मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ.
So as आप देख रहे हैं कि you know I discussed obviously with Mir Ghazan for himself, obviously in terms of you know the whole journey. I just thought that you know Salim हमारा mystery individual, obviously उनसे discussion भी बनती है, तो I would like कि हम इसको follow up कर सके. So I'm just going to have an interview with him.
Sir, Assalamualaikum. Again, better. So, you know, मेरे लिए this is important. अस्सलाम वालेकुम, और हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं the legend Ghazanfar साहब, Mir Ghazanfar, and he's a brilliant musician. He has been creating and living the legacy, and you know right now he's out there to walk. तो मैंने कहा आपको जरा disturb करके ना, तो आप सर बताएं, how are you?
Very well, thank you.
And how is your guitaring skills? Because you've been an amazing guitarist.
Long time ago, you know, I used to play with I had my own group, so I used to play for Lahore TV.
वाह. और उसके अलावा so अभी इनकी बर्थडे जब गुजरी तो इन्होंने बेसिकली जस्ट टू सेलिब्रेट द लेवल ऑफ बर्थडे तो इन्होंने ड्रम्स भी प्ले किए ऐसे ही. तो सर डू यू स्टिल प्रैक्टिस म्यूजिक?
No, you know, I have all the instruments, but they are all lying here. If you come to Hunza one day, you know, you have been there.
I have been, but I will. अब तो आपसे मुलाकात हो गई तो he's, you know, आप तो हमारे बड़े भी हैं और musically आप इतने fine हैं तो you know I would love to. अभी मैं so I was speaking to his son Salim. So basically Salim has to carry on the legacy. तो मैंने सलीम से पूछा आपने कितने इंस्ट्रूमेंट सीखे? कहते कि यार वो सारे अब्बू को आते हैं. Salim said all the instruments are my baba's legacy, not me. I don't play anything.
हाँ, वो बड़ा वो सलीम ने उनको बड़ा हिफाजत से रखा. Actually, I have lot of good friends in the film industry. मैं सैफुद्दीन सैफ साहब जो थे,
Right.
उसने 7 लाख करतार सिंह और ये सारा पिक्चर डायरेक्ट किया बनाया.
Right.
वो मेरा दोस्त था. और कॉमेडियन नजर
जी सर.
और यूसुफ खान, संतोष और खासकर मेरे फेवरेट स्टार थी नीलू. इन सब के साथ मेरी बड़ी वाकफियत थी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री की.
सर बस वही वाली बात है कि so सर मुझे ये बताइएगा because you know a lot of people out there would want to know the legacy आप लोगों की हुंजा की, and you know you being the prince and you know carrying the throne, and how have you worked into trying to keep the mashallah legendary aspect to it. So you know why not?
बात है देखो, we have ruled on Hunza for 980 years. 980 साल हमने हुकूमत किया.
जी जी.
Father to son like that.
जी.
And then you know, I've been the leader of the Hunza people and my family.
Right sir.
So I did my MA from Punjab University campus, Lahore.
Right.
Then I was in international relations में मैंने लंदन से डिग्री लिया. फिर उसके बाद then I went and I was selected in the foreign service.
Right.
So I worked for 7 years in the foundry. Then my father died, and the people asked me to come back.
Carry the legacy. So
I
आपके लिए
resigned and
हाँ.
worked, and I been elected for my assembly, not Gilgit-Baltistan legislative body,
Right.
for 8 times, 8 dafa.
वाह,
Then
ये
I
तो बहुत ही कोई नेक्स्ट
then
8
again,
दफा.
for 5 years, I was the governor. I was the chief minister, chief executive.
Wow.
And then for 3 years, I was the governor.
Wow.
And done. And our house, you will come.
I will definitely come. Balki Salim was also telling me that
Yes.
you need to come there.
No, I have pictures of some in winter and summer.
Right.
I will give you that picture.
Please do, sir. Please do.
And our houses, I think, all the landlords and nawabs and jagirdars and khans and all. we know
XYZ.
everyone.
Yeah.
But there is no comparison.
There is no match.
With our house.
MashaAllah.
That is one of the most beautiful house in whole of Pakistan.
We would love to because Salim bhi mujhe yahi keh rahe the.
Marble mat.
Right.
And also we have a big fort, two big fort, Altit Fort and
And how old are they?
Baltit Fort.
जी. How old are they? उनकी history क्या है? कितनी पुरानी है वो?
Trust property and Aga Khan is.
अच्छा, Aga Khan is running. So sir, so you have seen a lot of transition in the Pakistan and the growth of Pakistan, and how do you see the younger generation, the youth of Pakistan?
They are highly educated and good people, but their ways are different, the way we are brought up and the way they are brought up. They brought in the rich time and we have seen the poor time also.
The struggle.
But I tell you, I developed my area, Hunza,
Right.
and it is the most tourist hub, say even more than,
It's like the gold of
yes,
Pakistan, the heart of Pakistan.
at least 15 to 20 lakh people visit
Right.
Hunza. And we have 5 4-star hotels. We have hotels. All necessities are provided.
Nice.
And so we, and there's not a single beggar who begs for money. Everybody has a shelter.
Works, they all work, yeah.
We are, 90% are the followers of His Highness Aga Khan, Ismaili community and
Absolutely.
Shia community. So
Absolutely.
we have not hold up the mullahs or anything like, no Taliban movement.
Clean.
So the people, whenever they come, they enjoy, they stay there, and especially we respect the women. Nobody can touch them, nobody can steal their mobile or anything like that.
Or see them in a bad way, because you give them the freedom and respect the women need.
And we give them respect. And the people are also very good.
Absolutely.
And
Absolutely.
our literacy rate is about 95%.
Wow.
All women are educated.
Wow. Very amazing. Amazing. And I would love to, sir, come to Hunza House.
We want our children should also
Learn.
watch.
Sir, absolutely. And thank you, sir. Thank you for being such a brilliant human being, and it's an honor to meet you. Thank you.